जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 12th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, now I am going to tell you the process of Vipassana for the devotees who wants to attain Atma Sakshatkaram, who wants to get the fruit of Atma Sakshatkaram from me. What they have to do is, they have to bring their Jnanendriyas, sensory organs, back from their activities. When the sensory organs comes under control, the mind will be stable, and they have to fix their mind on Purushottama who is there in their heart, and they have to always be alert so that mind is not shaken from there. That is called yoga dharana. And they have to fix their pranavayu, life air, in their head. This has to be done before they leave their body. That means at the time of their death. In order to have this kind of Vipassana, this kind of dhyanam at the time of their death, they have to be practicing throughout their life. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma continuing giving us the process of meditation for those who wants to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Sri Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sarvadvarani samyamya manohrudi niruddhya cha मूर्ध्नि आधाय आत्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Srimannarayana like this. O Srimannarayana, the clutch of the cycle of birth and death itself is a very scary cycle. Yavat te anghrim abhayam na pravrunita lokaha. Those who does not come and take refuge at your divine lotus feet, they will be always getting scared from this samsaram. O Srimannarayana, those who surrenders to you, they will not have any sort of bhayam, and they will not be chased by any kind of insecurity or fear like I may lose my house, I may lose my wealth, I may lose my pleasures, and this kind of sokam, grief, this kind of dvesham, anger, they will not be chasing them, those who surrenders to you. O Srimannarayana, and those who surrenders to you, they will not have an illusionary thinking that body itself is Atma. O Srimannarayana, but you know, in this world, there are few people, they do not wish to see you. They do not wish to listen to your great qualities. They do not wish to chant your glory. They do not wish to sing your glory. They are all definitely unfortunate people. They are definitely buddhihinas. They will definitely go through so many troubles and so many pains and sufferings. O Srimannarayana, when I think about them, Sidate me, I also feel so worried about them. O Srimannarayana, those who does not surrender to you, they will be always chased by hunger, thirst, grief. They will be always attacked by so many diseases, and they will be always chased by so many desires, and they will be always boiled with unnecessary retaliation, and they will be just doing all the activities only for getting worldly pleasures. Again, those pleasures will cause them pains and grief. O Srimannarayana, those who doesn't surrender to you, they do work daytime and they sleep night time. That's all. They will waste entire of their lifetime like this, and they will not get even a tiny amount of real joy in their life. And also they are so unlucky even to have a small amount of joy even in their dream. They do not deserve to even experience a small amount of joy in their dream. O Srimannarayana, like this, those who doesn't surrender to you, when I think about them, I feel so worried. Sidate me. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 12th sloka. Sarvadvarani samyamya manohrudi nirudhyacha मूर्ध्नि आधाय आत्मनः प्राणं आस्थितो योगधारणाम्. सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्नि आधाय आत्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.